So Leibniz concept with problem y is equal to x to m. I can differentiate dy by dx with m into x to m, d square y by dx square, m into m minus 1 x to m minus 2. Similarly, proceeding in this manner and continuing this type of differentiation up to n times, then dn y up to dx to n, and we can get anything. We can get m into m minus 1, m minus 2 up to m minus n plus 1 x to m minus n. Then again successive by using Leibniz concept, successive differences of yn is equal to u into v whole to n, unv plus nc1, un minus 1, first minus 1 concept, and v1 again v1 differentiating plus nc2, un minus 2, v2 concept. Still that v after differentiating v is not 0. Then we can differentiate then using this concept. Let us give the example y to m plus y to 1 minus 1 to m is equal to 2x. Prove that x square minus 1 y n plus 2 plus 2n minus 2n plus 1 plus x y to n plus 1 plus n square minus m y n is equal to 0. Let y to 1 minus m equal to z. Then let us take this from the given and y 1 minus 1 by z. Like this, substitute the value in the given equation. Substitute the value in the given differential equation. We obtain z plus 1 by z equal to x, z square plus 1 2zx, z square minus 2x plus 1 equals 0, like this. And then we get y is equal to x plus minus x square minus 1 root over m, and differentiate dy by dx y1. Then after differentiating using this concept, let us take y is equal to x plus minus x square minus 1 root over m, and we can take absolutely x plus and x minus delete, then we can use x plus minus 1 whole to m. Then x square minus 1 y square equal to m square y square. Again differentiating x square minus 1, again differentiating, we get x square minus 1 2y1 y2 plus y square 2x m square 2y1 y1 plus x square minus 1 y2 plus xy1 minus m square y equal to 0 by using Leibniz rule. By using Leibniz rule, yn plus 2 x square minus 1 plus n yn plus 1 2x plus yn plus 2 x square minus 1 plus n yn plus 1 2x. Then nc2 is n factorial by 2 factorial and minus nc2 is n factorial by 2 factorial and minus 2 factorial. ncr n factorial by r factorial and minus r factorial, like this binomial concept. And yn plus 1 x plus n yr minus m square yn. Then we can get results like this. Leibniz concept.